In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Leap card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information necessary for you to acquire and start using a TFI Leap card is going to be available on this website, about.leapcard.ie. When you arrive at this page through a web browser on your computer or your phone, you will get plenty of information regarding where to buy the card, so you can simply use this option at the bottom, where to buy a TFI, and you will be able to browse through various stores, retailers that allow you to buy one of these cards. You will find them on this map and you can search for specific locations. You can browse through the Leap card fairs, see all of the types that they have, and get all the information necessary for you to use them on a bus, on the train, etc. After you are done reading through all of this, using your card is extremely simple. All that you have to do is physically place it near the reader when you are ready to pay your fare. Now, in this website, you will find, like I said, all the locations in which you can acquire these cards and the specific types available, and you can browse through regions where you can use them. So use the Leap visitor card if you need to travel here, and this is your first time using the transport services in Dublin, and you will be good to go as long as you follow all the instructions on this page. There is not any secret to using this card, and like I said, as long as you top it up with balance through this page, you can physically place it near any reader where the card is used, and you will be able to board or pay for any fares when you use public transport around Ireland. So keep that in mind. It's very simple, and this is all you have to do to use your TFI Leap card. Make sure you are aware of all the fares for different types of cards, and you will be able to board public transit. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Leap card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.